that update, Carrie. Let's switch gears and talk about the weather a little bit now. As you're out and about this afternoon, maybe you're heading out to dinner, I'd have the umbrella just in case, the rain jacket, because we are seeing these hit and miss showers and thunderstorms, and some of them, again, are packing a punch when it comes to the heavy rain. We've been tracking this one cluster of storms that has been affecting Tazewell County for a while now. Earlier, we had some really heavy rainfall, a good 1 to 2 inches in some spots, and we could see several more inches fall in that general area as these storms continue to develop. So please be careful. If you are out and about, you can see ponding on the roads at the very least, low visibility with the downpours, and we could definitely have some localized flooding issues. A flood advisory is in effect for portions of Tazewell County. That includes Springville, Tip Top, Bluefield, Virginia. That runs until 7:45 tonight. It could get dropped earlier, but we'll have to see how these downpours continue to develop. We've still got some just west, or just east rather, of Richlands heading toward Tazewell up 19 as we speak. We've also got some downpours elsewhere too. Tazewell County not the only place that's seen rain. Mercer's seen a few. Summers, Greenbrier now seeing some rain. And depending on where you are, again, it could come down hard. So we'll have to watch for those poor drainage areas that could get overwhelmed. Otherwise, though, at least the rain cools us down temporarily. Look at where the rain's been, 60s and 70s now. That's a nice break. Where the storms haven't been, though, you can tell how hot and humid we are. Most of us today were getting into the 80s, if not the low 90s. We've got high pressure in control at the upper levels of the atmosphere, keeping us toasty, and also at the surface. And this weather pattern has been with us pretty much all week. The only difference we're going to see in the coming days, at least through the weekend, that high pressure slides slightly more offshore. So it opens up the door for even more southerly wind flow. I think chances of rain are going to stay low. It's going to be that hit or miss stuff, but we're going to stay hot and we're going to stay humid as we head into the weekend, even more hot and humid, I'm thinking, into Saturday and Sunday than we will be today or tomorrow. But let's take a close look at futurecast. Here we are tonight, just a few more showers and storms, mainly before the sun goes down. And then after that, not much more activity, some fog, clouds, 60s again tonight. And then tomorrow we're on repeat, as we've been all week, 80s, 90s. Here comes those pop-up showers and storms, just hit or miss type activity during the afternoon. Now we are keeping our eye on the tropics though. A brand new tropical depression has formed well to our south right now, but we're going to be tracking this potential Hurricane Ida. Hurricane Ida, IDA. It's going to be the name of this one as it forms. It looks like it could become a powerful hurricane before it makes landfall at the Gulf of Mexico, and eventually into next week, Ida could potentially bring us some rain. So that's something to watch. If it does affect us, that'll be next Tuesday into Wednesday. It'll merge with a cold front. It's still a little early to tell, but definitely something we'll be watching. So to recap, most of us tonight in the 60s. Tomorrow, we'll be back again in the 80s and 90s. We'll see some showers and some thunderstorms during the afternoon. That weather pretty much on repeat through the weekend, Melinda. Next week, though, cooler, a little bit wetter.
All right. Catherine, we have to turn to a